it's Kendrea with Mann Lake. Welcome back to the Beekeepers Buzz. We're here at the Honeybee Expo in Louisville, Kentucky. We also can't wait to meet you all back here again next year in 2026. Today we're going to be going over what package bees work best for Central U.S. And we're also going to be able to figure out what fits best into new beekeepers, experienced beekeepers, and what we have coming out to you all new in the next coming year. We're hoping that you all get a lot of benefits out of this, so be sure to like and subscribe so that we can continue these educational programs for you all. So package bees are on sale currently, so be sure to get those orders in. But let's first figure out what works best for you. So the best thing in our area that I found for package bees happens to be the Carnelian and Saskatraz. Those two breeds are my favorite for our area. They overwinter well, they cluster well, they build a lot of brood, they make a lot of honey, and they're super gentle and docile as a bee. For newer beekeepers, if you're getting a late start, the nuke or nucleus, which is a 5-frame hive, will get you an early start on that. They tend to be a lot more gentle, especially if you tend to favor the Italian breed on those. We'll have those for sale in our Clarkson, Kentucky location for pickup. So be sure to get those orders in also. Package bees wise, we'll also be carrying the Italians. They're a super gentle, docile bee that tends to make a lot of honey. They are just an all-around great starter bee for newer beekeepers. If you're an experienced beekeepers and looking to move up, the Russian or Russian hybrid are a great bee as an alternative to an Italian. Those tend to be a little bit more aggressive, but they do defend their hive really well against robbing. And overwintering wise, they winter wonderfully. I highly recommend those to experienced beekeepers, but I do recommend to wear those suits when you work those particular packages. One of the packages breeds that we're going to be getting that's new is our Golden West. We're definitely looking forward to those. I myself have not got a chance to work those particular breeds just yet, but we're definitely looking forward to in our Clarkson, Kentucky location. So I hope that this has been beneficial for you, and come back next month. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.